it appeared to you he was having a nightmare.
Yes.
And what do you remember about that incident?
I remember I was laying there the night before. I told him about it the next day, but I was laying there and I was reading my book and I heard him shout in his sleep before he woke himself up.
And what did he shout?
He
that
said,
you
"Die,
heard?
die, die, motherfucker."
And you're quoting as best you remember?
Yes.
He
All
said,
right.
"Die,
And-
die, die, motherfucker."
And you're quoting as best you remember?
Yes.
All right.
He said, "Die, die, die, motherfucker."
And you're quoting as best you remember?
Yes.
All right.
He said, "Die, die, die, motherfucker."
And you're quoting as best you remember?
Yes.
All right. And
He said, "Die, die, die, motherfucker."
you're quoting as best you remember?
Yes.
All right. And
He said, "Die, die, die, motherfucker."